Goldie's in a playful mood. This one up here is a little crybaby. It's okay, baby. Yeah, it's okay. That's what it's supposed to be. She's still crying. I think the ones we're going to try to keep are the gold one and the gray one, which is this one right here and this one right here. And you guys can have the one that looks exactly like Bobby and the white one. Or just the white one, because I think Don wants this one. Everybody's coughing when it was. Yeah. Yeah. She's steady on that one. The crybaby one. She is a crybaby. She is a mother. And she keeps wandering off. The rest of them are pretty much okay. The gold one is very bold. I believe that's a boy. And I believe the white one is a boy. So we playing the gold one and we playing the gray one. Alrighty, that's enough. Peace out, Girl Scouts.